butter 3 tablespoons, sugar 1 cup, milk 1 cup, 2 cup powder milk, and elaichi powder. Your pan like this, double grease. Put the butter in your pan. I forgot to tell you that you should keep the stove off when you're adding all the ingredients in. Milk. Next, powder. Let's mix. Mix it well, and as you can see, there are no lumps in it. I'm gonna switch on the stove. The flame low to medium and keep mixing it. I just heard a plop noise. Oh, that's so satisfying. Till 5 to 10 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, it started getting thick, and make sure you do it in an heavy bottom pan. Yep. Heavy bottom pan. So, and keep on taking it off from the sides. As you can stage, I will add some sugar carefully. So that again, and mix it. Ooh, that's so yummy and delicious. बर्फी ने पैन छोड़ दिया है. अब इसमें हम इलायची पाउडर डालेंगे 1/4 टीस्पून. Shimmer it like gold. Now as you can see, it gathered itself at one side, and now we will add it to an already greased pan. Now I'm gonna add the barfi. The barfi. Nicely. That looks so classical and delicious. Now let's get it smoothed out. Smooth it out in a shape, and now we will garnish it with almonds and silver pepper. Put the silver pepper on. Garnish. And now we'll garnish the pista in the badam. That looks delicious, guys. Now let's let it out. See, we have harnessed it with everything we needed. And now, if it's summer, you can put it in the fridge. If it's cold season, you can just leave it out. Let's put it in the fridge. 3, 2, 1. So guys, now we are gonna cut this marvelous, yummy barfi. It looks so delicious there. I can just eat this all. I cut it like small. I'm just cutting my food today. Now it's ready. Now I can finally eat it. Let's take the smallest one and this way. Not bad, not good. I mean, it's so good. I just feel like I just brought it from a refreshment and I'm eating it. So good. But I think I will end this video over here. So I hope you like this video. If you did, smash that like button, comment down below and comment down below. And now let's go and end the video. Bye. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video.